Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A17, and today I'll show you a couple tweaks and tricks you can do on this phone. So let's get started by opening up settings. And in here, I'm going to start off by going into the dynamic effects. Now, basically all of them are enabled, but what I recommend is actually turning them off. So enhance dynamic effects. And here we have interface dynamic effects. So when enabled, the dynamic effects and display of some effects will be enhanced. I would probably recommend removing this. This phone isn't super powerful, so having as little effects going on for it as possible will improve your actual usability of the device. It might just work a little bit faster when it needs to load less. So I probably would recommend to turn that off, as well as the weather background if you don't want this. So dynamic weather backgrounds, I don't care for this event, so I'm gonna disable it. Again, it will help out the device a little bit in terms of performance. Now, afterwards we can navigate to display and brightness, where you will find dark theme. Now this is subjective if people like it or not, and that basically depends from user to user. So if you like your phone to have dark mode, then right away you can enable it in here. If you don't, keep it off, obviously. And you can also tap on it. This will take you to the actual broader settings for it, where you can enable it to be based on a schedule. So it will turn on and off at sunrise to sunset, or for instance based on a timer that you set it up. So for instance, during the daytime you can have it in light mode, and during the nighttime your eyes don't need to be singed out by the pure bright white light with the dark mode. Now moving on to the next option, which is also under the display and brightness, we can scroll down and you have status bar. Now in here you have notification method, and if you like that clean look of a status bar where there is almost nothing visible, you can either have numeric, which will compound everything into just a number, or you can have it to have none. Obviously the notifications will still be visible once you pull it down, but they just don't appear in the status bar, giving you this nice clean look. And continuing with this nice clean look, I'm gonna go back to the settings, scroll all the way down to system, and select system navigation, where in here you can switch it to gesture navigation, which will remove the buttons from the bottom and substitute them for gestures. So just a little bar right here, you swipe up to go home, swipe up and hold to go to recent, and then swipe from either side to go back, which I guess it doesn't work from here, but you can see it works in here. So there we go. And moving on to the last thing that I wanted to show you, this will be primarily for more visually impaired people. So let's just open up again display and brightness, and at the bottom you will find the font and display size. And in here you can change the font size, as you can see, making it significantly bigger alongside of the display size. Now keep in mind, when you basically crank up both of these, certain things might just look a little bit wonky because the device was never meant to be having everything displayed at max size. So let's see if we can find something. There we go. Oh, it needs to load, because it also changes the rating and icon size, I believe, in here. But if we go back to settings, okay, in here you can see that notifications are now much more strict in terms of what they're showing. We go into settings, the panels now take significantly more space, as you can see, and you'll probably find a couple additional places where this might not be the most optimal thing. Messages might be just kind of super short, so 1 to 2 words per line, which might be a little bit annoying. But in general, obviously text will be bigger, meaning if you had problems seeing it before, you can now hopefully see it. Now with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.